1. 1987 Ford F250, won $1,500, Shoreline, Washington. This 1987 Ford F250 offers a solid foundation at an affordable price of $1,500. Located in Shoreline, Washington, this truck is mechanically sound with a strong 6-cylinder engine, an automatic transmission, and rear-wheel drive. The truck features a clean title and 109,069 miles, though the odometer has rolled over. It's a workhorse with a new fuel pump, alternator, battery, and a full set of new tires. The interior is rough, and the paint is in fair condition. This truck comes with a new towing hitch and extra side mirrors. While it may need some cosmetic attention, it remains a reliable choice for those looking for a classic Ford pickup. (1972) Chevrolet C10 and half-ton 2WD, $10,995, Coquitlam, British Columbia. A rare find, the 1972 Chevrolet C10 half-ton 2WD is listed for $10,995 in Coquitlam, British Columbia. This truck is powered by a factory small-block 350 engine and a turbo 350 transmission. It boasts upgrades like a new master cylinder, brake components, air ride suspension, and custom upholstery. The vehicle shows some rust and will require further repairs, but it has an incredible foundation for restoration or customization. With just 81,500 miles, this truck represents a piece of Chevrolet history and offers significant potential for enthusiasts looking for a project. (3) 1982 Chevy C10 Custom Deluxe Long Bed, $4,500, Denver, Colorado. Priced at $4,500, the 1982 Chevy C10 Custom Deluxe Long Bed, located in Denver, Colorado, features a 350 motor and TH350 transmission. It's a true survivor with 80,000 miles, though the frame is straight and clean, and the body shows some rust where expected. Originally a ranch truck in Wyoming, this vehicle has a classic smog-deleted setup with a new intake manifold and exhaust. The truck runs, shifts, and stops well, though it needs some work. It's perfect for someone seeking a project truck or a reliable daily driver with potential. (4) 1975 GMC Beau James, $13,000, Simi Valley, California. At $13,000, this rare 1975 GMC Beau James Edition truck is located in Simi Valley, California. One of only a few thousand produced and only 39 known to exist, this truck is a real collector's item. It comes with the rare 454 engine TH400 transmission and an upgraded 3/4-ton frame. The truck has been well maintained, with a recent overhaul of components, like the alternator, fuel lines, and radiator. The paint retains 65% of its original color, and the truck has minimal rust. The truck runs great, but brake work is needed. If you're a classic truck enthusiast, this is a rare gem with lots of history. 1978 Toyota pickup Hilux 2WD, 3000 Port Townsend, Washington. This 1978 Toyota pickup Hilux 2WD is listed for $3,000 and is located in Port Townsend, Washington. With a 20R engine and 5-speed manual transmission, this Toyota is a great example of Japanese reliability. It has a clean title and only 1,109 miles since the odometer rolled over. The truck is in good condition with newer tires, a recent tune-up, and an oil change. It comes with a toolbox full of original parts. While the truck is a bit of a time capsule, it still runs well and remains a fun vehicle to drive. Ideal for those who love the vintage Japanese pickup scene. Six, 1977 Ford F150, $13,000, Los Gatos, California. For $13,000, the 1977 Ford F150, located in Los Gatos, California, is a rugged truck that's powered by a 351 V8 and equipped with a 4-speed manual transmission and 4WD. This truck has been owned for 7 years and is a great representation of the era. The paint shows some fading, but the overall condition is good. Originally a California truck, it's a solid and reliable vehicle that's ready to take on some off-road adventures or be a daily driver. The V8 engine provides plenty of power, and the manual transmission adds to the truck's charm. Seven, 1984 Chevy 3/4-ton 4x4, $9,700. This 1984 Chevy 3/4-ton 4x4, listed for $9,700 in Sagla, Idaho, is a reliable workhorse. It has a rebuilt 350 engine with less than 2,000 miles since the rebuild, making it a solid option for anyone looking for a dependable 4x4. The truck also features new brakes and carpet, and it runs and drives great with no mechanical issues. Although it has some minor cosmetic issues, this truck is a great option for someone seeking a classic 4x4 that's ready for daily use or outdoor adventures. 8, 1977 Ford F150 V8 automatic 4x4, F-150 Ranger long bed, $15,000, Chicago, Illinois. This 1977 Ford F-150 Ranger, listed for $15,000 in Chicago, Illinois, is an excellent example of a classic Ford truck. Powered by a 351M Cleveland V8 and featuring 4WD with a 3-speed automatic transmission, this truck runs strong. The truck includes custom wheels, a rhino-lined bed, and a 2.5-inch lift. The 81,211 miles are believed to be accurate. The truck has been owned since 2017 and is in great condition. With its long bed and rugged design, this Ford F-150 is an ideal choice for someone looking for a reliable classic truck. 9, 1964 white Ford pickup F100, $12,000, Fairfax, California. This 1964 white Ford pickup F100 is listed for $12,000 and is located in Fairfax, California. It features a 292 inline 6-cylinder engine and a manual 3-speed transmission. The truck has been fitted with a 1988 Ford F100 engine after the original Blue, and it now has around 114,000 miles. The truck is in decent shape with a straight body and a restored transmission setup. It runs well, and the original radio is still operational. This truck would be perfect for someone who appreciates the classic Ford design and is looking for a reliable vintage vehicle with plenty of potential for restoration. Number 10. 1965 Ford F100, $14,500, Farmington, New Mexico. This 1965 Ford F100, priced at $14,500, is a solid classic located in Farmington, New Mexico. The truck is equipped with the classic 3-on-the-tree manual transmission and is in great working condition. The body and interior are both in good shape, and it runs and drives well. This truck would make a great choice for someone looking for a vintage Ford with a manual transmission, perfect for collectors or those looking for a nostalgic driving experience. (11) 1989 GMC High Sierra, $6,000, Dubuque, Iowa. The 1989 GMC High Sierra, listed for $6,000 in Dubuque, Iowa, is a fantastic truck for those who love classic 4x4s. It has 107,522 miles on the body, with only 6,000 miles on the crate 350 engine. The truck features a Getrag 5-speed manual transmission and functional 4-body dud. The truck has minimal rust and some dents in the bed, but it runs and drives well. It also has a rebuilt carburetor, headers, and new intake, making it a great option for someone who wants a truck that's ready to drive with only a few minor things to button up. (1966 Chevy C10, $9,800, Tracy, California. This 1966 Chevy C10, located in Tracy, California, is a clean and original truck priced at $9,800. The truck features a 292 inline 6-cylinder engine with a 3-on-the-tree manual transmission. It has just 34,000 miles, and the brakes have been recently replaced. The truck runs well and is in good overall condition. With its low mileage and classic design, this Chevy C10 offers an excellent opportunity for a collector or someone looking to restore a vintage truck.